What's up guys, welcome back to TechNiv, and today we're going to unbox the Huawei Nova 8. It got some delays, but finally it's here in Malaysia. So let's cut it short and head straight to it. So the main highlights for the Huawei Nova 8 will be the 66W Huawei supercharged 90Hz OLED curved display, as well as the 64MP AI quad cameras. So before we get into these, let's first go into the unboxing. So what we have here in the box is the 8GB RAM plus 128GB of storage plus gold color for the review. The first thing we get to see is the phone, and on the back of the phone you can notice the all-new Nebular camera system design, which really stands out. Inside the box you get the clear silicone casing, menus, SIM pin 2, and you're getting the huge 66W supercharger as well as the USB-C cable. Now let's talk about the design of this phone. At first sight, this phone looks pretty refreshing and stylish, with the blush gold color design which reflects when the lights shine on it. Together with the Nebular camera housing, it looks pretty fashionable to hold on to it. It retains the Nova logo design on the bottom, and the thing I like about it is the matte finish anti-glare glass material on it. You won't get any fingerprint sticks. You got the speaker, charging port, mic on the bottom, the volume rocker and power button is on the right, while the SIM card tray is on the top. The whole phone is lighter and thinner than the Nova 7, which is nicer to hold on to. Next will be one of the main highlights for the Huawei Nova 8, the 6.57-inch OLED curved 90Hz display. The colors on it are super nice. The color contrast is full and lively, and you get 3 options to choose from for the refresh rate. And I'll definitely recommend you to choose the dynamic option, which will automatically switch to save battery life. Watching videos and gaming on this display is super enjoyable. Although the punch hole selfie camera cutout, it's a little bit big, but it won't be an issue if you get used to it. You also get an in-display fingerprint sensor. It is pretty sensitive. As for the cameras, it sports a 64MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide angle camera, 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. The picture quality came out of it is pretty nice and clear. Color contrast, exposure balance, brightness level are nicely done. As for the 32MP front camera, it has nice details on it, but as usual, the smoothness of the skin is a little bit over. As for the videos, it can go up to 4K 30 frames per second and 1080p 30 frames per second on the front. So overall, for the colors and stabilization on the rear camera is pretty nice. On the front, it's a little bit overexposed of the details behind the subject. And for the sound quality on the camera, it seems pretty decent as well. So this is how it looks like on the front video camera, and it's quite nice, quite clear. It's just that there's some overexposure at the back. Now under the hood, it comes with the Kirin 820E processor with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM, powered by the 3800mAh battery, which is slightly smaller than the previous 4000mAh battery on the Nova 7. But with the 66W supercharge, well, you can charge it up full in just 35 minutes. Overall usage for me is quite okay. I can use it for a full day if I'm on a normal usage, and a half day if I'm on gaming or video streamings. Speaking about it, gaming on PUBG Mobile with it is super smooth without any laggy issue. The phone will be slightly warm after a while. Sound quality is decent. So overall, to me, the Huawei Nova 8 is a pretty nice phone, priced at 1,899 ringgit. If you really like picture taking, video taking, or stream videos on your phone, the display is really enjoyable. And if you're currently using Huawei devices, you can even enjoy the multi-screen collaboration. But the only downside that I can think of is the battery life. So remember to bring power bank. And yeah, I think that's all for today. Let me know what you think of the Huawei Nova 8 in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe to this video and follow my Instagram. I'm Joshua. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.